you ever struggled with handling mass small file data? Does your storage system make handling mass mission-critical data difficult? If your answer to these questions is yes, then you won't want to miss today's workshop, Say Yes to NAS. I'm Julie, and I'm delighted to be joined today by three experts from Huawei Storage, Mr. Zhang, Mr. Liu, and Mr. Tan. We'll be answering questions about OceanStor Dorado all-flash NAS storage. Welcome to these guests. Let's get started. Well, in the digital era, data is critical to enterprise operations, and more enterprises are using NAS, especially all-flash NAS, to manage their file data. In light of this, what challenges are we facing when it comes to storing mass file data, and why do enterprises prefer NAS storage solutions?
Today, data has become the lifeline of enterprises. We used to focus more on structured data like databases, but unstructured data such as images and files needs to be managed efficiently.
That's right. Due to the explosive data growth, unstructured data is becoming the mainstream. The number of small files is growing at unprecedented speeds, resulting in inefficient OPS and bandwidth.
Another problem is that different users have different file processing requirements, and file networking is a basic setup but requires high specifications for the environment and permissions and security.
And as files have now become critical data, enterprises must ensure zero data loss and uninterrupted access.
I see. So what are the advantages of Huawei OceanStor Dorado all-flash NAS storage when it comes to addressing these challenges?
OceanStor Dorado's advantages can be summed up by our slogan, ever fast, ever solid, and full functionality. Ever fast because it has the industry highest NAS performance, which is 30% higher than the industry's next best. Ever solid because of its fully integrated architecture for always-on applications. OceanStor Dorado NAS guarantee continuity of mission-critical services even in the event of 7 out of 8 controller failures. It also provides the industry's only NAS active DR solution to ensure high availability. And lastly, OceanStor Dorado NAS provides comprehensive functions allowing multi-protocol file sharing, file grain, permission control, and comprehensive data protection.
30% higher than industry's next best. That's incredible. How does OceanStor Dorado NAS manage to achieve that?
Well, we are entering an all-flash era, and the SSD's random access performance is superior to that of HDDs. Of course, we also need to consider the impact of the SSD's garbage collection on system performance. OceanStor Dorado uses innovative flash link algorithm to reconstruct the storage system in order to implement a flash-native architecture. For example, full strip write to reduce write amplifications, and the global garbage collection to reduce system performance fluctuations caused by garbage collection inside SSDs.
The second reason is that OceanStor Dorado NAS uses an innovative distributed file system OceanFS that is globally shared by multiple controllers. This can greatly improve file system performance and simplify resource pool management.
For these two reasons, in diverse NAS scenarios, OceanStor Dorado shows up to 40% higher ops for large files and small blocks, and 30% higher performance for small files and small blocks, and 50% higher performance in bandwidth-intensive scenarios than our peer vendors.
Just now, Mr. Zhang mentioned OceanFS. Can you tell us more about this system?
Sure. In the OceanFS, directories created on the client are evenly distributed on all CPUs or controllers to maximize the system performance. The system uses a directory balancing algorithm to eliminate controller bottlenecks and an intelligent layout algorithm to achieve 30% faster file traversal and location.
Very interesting. Based on what I've learned, our customers are very concerned about the deduplication and compression capabilities. We know that enabling dedupe and compression usually affects system performance. How is the performance of the OceanStor Dorado NAS in such scenarios?
Thanks to its flash-native architecture, OceanStor Dorado NAS experiences less fluctuation in latency if dedupe and compression are enabled. In some scenarios, the performance deteriorates by less than 15% compared to 30% of many peer vendors.
Under heavy system loads, OceanStor Dorado performs self-adaptive dedupe to greatly reduce the impact on the client performance.
That's right. QoS technology is also used to control the post-dedupe speed when the system overloaded, mitigating the impact on service.
In our previous polls, participants are more concerned about the stability and reliability of storage systems. Can you tell us more about how OceanStor Dorado ensures data reliability and service continuity?
OceanStor Dorado features 4 layers of data reliability design, namely solution, system, architecture, and SSD. For example, in terms of architecture reliability, 4 controllers are deployed in a single enclosure, and front end and back end are fully interconnected, thus allowing service continuity even in the event that 7 out of 8 controllers fail. In this way, OceanStor Dorado is able to satisfy our customer requirements for reliability of mission-critical services.
You mentioned earlier that OceanStor Dorado NAS provides the industry's only NAS active-active architecture. Can you tell us more about this architecture and what its advantages are?
OceanStor Dorado NAS is the only storage system to provide the NAS active-active DR solution, while some major vendors just support the active-passive architecture. The 2 OceanStor Dorado systems can process file reads and writes from clients at the same time, achieving load balancing between 2 sides with 0 RPO and near 0 RTO.
While its Hypermetro active-active solution allows 2 storage systems to be deployed in 2 data centers for hosted data access. Any storage system failures that occurs will not affect service or cause data loss, thus ensuring higher reliability.
Some customers are facing a very complex service environment where the system hosts diversified services. What system features can help our customers better cope with these challenges?
OceanStor Dorado has abundant enterprise-level features, such as supporting multiple protocols, including SMB, NFS, S3, FTP, and HTTP, and 4 security styles like NTFS and Unix to facilitate cross-platform file sharing.
Comprehensive data protection functions such as multi-tenancy, WARM, RBAC, audit, and end-to-end ransomware prevention ensure the resilience of key files.
NAS is such a powerful solution for addressing storage challenges in an ocean of file data. Could you give us some examples of industry applications of OceanStor Dorado NAS? What benefits does it bring to our customers?
OceanStor Dorado NAS is used for a wide range of industry and scenarios. Examples include OA, R&D files of large enterprises, financial imaging, CDRs of carriers, and medical image data. OceanStor Dorado NAS is very popular due to its high reliability and performance and extensive file management functions.
And that's just about it for today's workshop. Many thanks to Mr. Zhang, Mr. Liu, and Mr. Tan for sharing so many insights and innovative technologies of NAS storage with us.
Think big.
Think OceanStor Dorado NAS.
Say yes to NAS.
If you like this video, please follow us and give us like. See you next time!